What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we got a whole bunch more cool gadgets. Let's see what we got this time. For the first one, this is the next level fire striker. Check this out. You unspin this and big reveal, we have a lighter. It is kind of hilarious. I thought it would be a cool joke because every time I post a review of the strikers, very unique cool strikers like survival steels and magnesium, people say, why don't you use a lighter? So that's why I thought it would be funny. I did a short of it, got like a 500,000 views on Facebook. So check out this really cool case. A simple big lighter becomes overbuilt case. I love it. Look how thick that is. Thought it was perfect for that joke. Anyways, let's see what else we have. Got this thing in fan mail, Project Ratchet, and this is pretty cool. It's a fidgeting. Listen to that. That is satisfying. So maybe on this finger, quite satisfying. Maybe flip it over, spin it the other way. I like it. I think this one everybody can have it. Who doesn't have 9-volt battery? There's a little 9-volt battery flashlight. All you do is plug it in. You have right here flashlight like this and full flashlight. It has a little bar dot right here, and then this one is a little bit different. As you can see, it has one LED light bulb instead of 6, but it's kind of like a floodlight type. Plug it in all the way, looks like. There you go, that's it. And then kind of like a floodlight. In the dark it would be a lot brighter, and looks like even brighter. I love it. It is in the daytime it's so bright, but in dark it is really powerful. Full darkness, look how bright that is. To conserve the energy, make it less brighter. Full darkness, love it. Now this flashlight kind of points it a little bit farther, but not for close range. I mean, it's still bright, kind of like the other one, better for around the house. This one will point farther, kind of like a spotlight. Found this cool little keychain beetle. It looks like a bottle opener. The keychain will go over here and maybe glow in the dark right here, but what's unique about it? This will click and this will click, so it is just satisfying. You can do one at a time or kind of slide it. Oh wow, that actually looks so good. It glows a lot in the dark. I forgot that it does, or maybe I didn't even know. That is cool. The weather is so nice, I decided to film outside, you know, enjoy the day. But I got it here all light, all pen mini 2. Check this out. So you have right here a pen, bolt action, and then there's also a pen this way. So first of all, actually this is a pencil. You can use this as a pencil, and it's really easily refillable, but just spin it out, and it comes with 2 refills like this, and I'm sure there's a lot more available. Very successful pen, only like $12, something like that. Push it down and you have actual pen. Very nice. And yeah, there's different colors and everything like that. I love it. For 10 bucks, pen and a pencil, next level for sure. This right here, the next level knife. Check this out. It opens and closes this way, but if you kind of flick it, let's see, it opens and closes. You kind of have to be quick about it, but all the way through as well. That's hilarious. Found it on Amazon. It is not a new design of this kind of locking mechanism, but flicking portion of it I definitely never seen before. That is so hilarious. It is more of a novelty item. I would probably never use it, but I do love very unique folding knives and especially unique mechanics. So there you go, super unique. I like that one a lot. Not sure if I have filmed it in a long format, but there you go. There is a fidget knife. It's called the Spark. It's about to go live on Kickstarter, unless it's already went out live. Check this out. So just search it online, it'll come up. And there's a spinner right here, or it can be clicker. It is a fidget thing for sure, but you could kinda, I don't know, somebody told me it's, are you sure it's not a striker? And it would be a cool idea to implement a striker as well, maybe a lighter on this side too. Somebody said, are you sure this is not a spark? But upon of researching a bit more, this is for fidget purpose. And then unlock it and then spins. So like a little fidget spinner knife. Lock it right here, spins. What a cool design. And if you need a knife, there's so many ways to open it. High quality. Kickstarter, check it out. Spark. Is that what it's called? Yes, spark knife. I'll post a couple more shorts about it. Help the guys out. Beautiful. Carry the spark. I'm sure it'll pop up if you search that. While we're reviewing pens, look at this one. That's hilarious. Lock it, unlock it. To kinda unlock it, you just push it down. That is cool in itself. And I don't even know how to hold this. I guess this way. And then 1, 2, 3. I don't know if it's more comfortable or not. It's pretty good. Definitely have to relearn how to write. There you go. That's my name in Russian. I mean, it's really interesting. I would say this is quite unique. I wouldn't say I love it, but definitely worth checking it out. They said here must have called holster if you're contractor, whatever, and use a little hammer. It's a little magnet belt, and you can actually use it for anything, even if you're fishing, whatever. But it can hold the hammer easily. So as you can see, there's a belt and there's a little hook so it doesn't slide out. And if I have to pull it, it is not that easy. Boom. So it will never fall off for you. So you can only imagine how useful it could be without a holster. You just plug it in and go working. Boom. Sliding it off a little bit easier. 20 pounds, let's see. 20 pounds, no problem. It's not coming off. If I need to take it out, pull it hard, easy, even over the t-shirt. It finally came off because it was over t-shirt, but like this, it'll not come off. Look at that. You need your hammer, just grab it. Don't put it over the t-shirts. Easy. Pulling it like this is the hardest. And of course, couple of cool fire strikers. Just press on that, it will deploy it, lock it back in, and all I have to do is just strike it. And this one, same brand but a little bit different. Pull on that, flip it over, lock it in, and this will go in and out. And just hold this one, and there's a steel down there, and just go this way. Fluff this up. All I have to do is one little strike, and we got it going. That was a little strike. Same thing with this one. Got this on fire, burning. Start the fire easily. And once we're done, just put it away. And this one is like that. Monthly Knife Club subscription box for knives and EDC. So let's see what we get. Ooh, $40 right away. So I paid $200, and hopefully I get a little bit over $300 worth of stuff. Okay, it looks like it's one of those funny packs, whatever they called. Ooh, road flare. That's kind of cool. Definitely put that to the test before. Rechargeable. So it's like stops it. Looks like I gotta recharge it. But it stops it like a flare but flashlight. Nice. Oh, clip. Wow, they have a lot of more junk in here. I mean, this is not a junk, but that is definitely a filler, and a fanny pack was a filler. But now we're getting something good. We'll scan it, see what kind of value we got right here. Okay, this is best tech, really good stuff. Probably like closer to $50. I had this one before. I reviewed this one before. Good stuff. Okay, what is this? Black Hawk, super cheap, probably, I don't know, like $10-20. That's another filler item, and the whole value probably will be in this one. Okay, yeah, S90V plus titanium, and this is what brand it is. We'll find out. Onyx Plugs collector's plan, I paid $200, and I should be getting around $300 of worth of value. See what is in here. This is quite fun. If you enjoy this, it's like Pokemon collecting or Magic. This is a different stuff. Some people into different things. Alright, this is beautiful. We'll have to see how much it's worth, because this one probably would be the most expensive right here. Ooh, titanium handle flipper. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Anodized titanium. I've definitely seen that burn before. The designer looks like is from Russia, Max Tkachuk, and hard to pronounce it, Tkachuk, Max Tkachuk. But yeah, there you go. Beautiful big hand knife, super smooth. Yeah, this is going to be by itself like $280, I think. Let's scan it all, because so far I'm pretty happy. 3 bulk items that is under $20, that's worth pretty much nothing, and 3 very good items. We're starting with this oak clip, and yeah, it's all day. Looks like this one right here, $29, and it will be different colors you can choose from. Yeah, they're all $29, so that's nice. Best stack, I just found $63, used to be $75 on sale, but that's why they say around there. So we at $93 so far of value, and this one about $180. Thought it'd be more expensive. Also on eBay a bit more expensive, but look at that, very reputable seller, almost 200,000. But yeah, so this is $280 worth of stuff, and there's another like $30 worth of stuff. So I'm really happy, very fun subscription box. Well, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.